Okay, greeting guys. Welcome back to another episode on your Dr. DIY channel. Today, I'm going to just share a video on how to replace your child's portable handle for their schooling bag. As you can see here, this handle has been broken. Okay, so in normal cases, what the parents will do is they will replace the whole bag, but in this case the bag is still good. Okay, you can see the bag is still good. The handle has broke, so the handle is broken now. So we are going to replace this handle, right? This handle basically is a telescopic adjustable handle, and it comes with 6 tires, 3 on the right and 3 on the left, where you can use this type of setup to go up stairs, downstairs, elevated surfaces or inclined surfaces, right? And also you can drag the bag in this manner. So we have a new handle here. I will put the link in the description below, right? This handle is also similar, but you can see there is an improved design of this handle, such that you have this protective casing, so that if the user bring the bag on wet surfaces, the water will not touch the bag and get dirty. Okay, and it is much more bigger compared to the stock. You can see the stock is small. Okay, the original one is small. So this handle is about 26 ringgit or so. It's very cheap and is available on your Shopee online. I will put the link in the description below. Okay, so how you are going, you can purchase this, and you can replace it by yourself with the help of this video, God willing. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do it. What are you doing?
Finding a new one.
The new bag,
Yes.
a new handle, That's good, that's good. Is it better now?
No. It's like that.
Okay. Okay, so we are going to put this handle now to this bag. Basically, the handle you can just plug and play, but for my case, I just reinforced it. I make it a bit more stronger using some nuts and bolts. Actually, you need not to do this, okay? Because original they are just using a very small screw. Where's the screw? Can you take that? So a very small screw there. So I just change it to a nut and bolt. Yeah, original is just a small screw. So just to make it stronger, I just put a nut and a bolt there. So it comes with this strap. Okay, so in this case I need not to use this. Why? Because the original bag has it. The original bag, it comes with a stripe. Okay, but this stripe now, it doesn't fit here because the fixture is different, so we got to change it to this, right? So we are going to just change it. Okay, so we are just going to latch the bag to the holes here, and we are just going to use a cable tie, right? Because if we use this stripe, yes, we can use, but you need to cut off this guy and you got to sew. So to save the trouble, we just use cable tie. So this is how we're going to do it. So you just go. So this is the bag. There's a hole here. Just go in the handle. Right. So it goes in the handle. Now we're going to lock at the base there. So how you're going to go it? You can just, oh, they got the fixture ready. Yeah, you just put it in the fixture. Okay, they got the fixture, so we just lock it. So happen that this bag, the buckle fits perfectly at the base of the bag. So this is just nice. So we need not to use the cable tie. So consider our work is done. So you have your bag now. Okay, this thing here, what we can do is, normally I just tie it. Okay, I just tie it and I just tuck it in. Okay. You may tuck it in. So now we are good to go. Okay, so we have just reinforced this with cable tie. Okay, you can see here, cable tie, so it will not come out left and right. Okay, I think that's about it. We have done now. So the bag is ready. It's much more robust. So mommy, daddy, if you want to convert your kids bag into a portable bag with the handle, you may do so, right? It almost fits any bag, as long your bag you have this guy here coming out, or your existing bag where your handle has broken, you may just use this. I'll put a link in the description where to get this, very cheap. Hopefully the video helps. Till we meet again, thank you very much and all the best.